Last year, I took on one of the hardest challenges that a programmer can take. I started making my own game engine. Yes, my own engine. If you have watched the previous videos on my channel, then you will know that I have been using Unreal Engine for a few years now. I did not know C++ much at that time, so I had to learn it while learning graphics programming at the same time. This is the simple UI that I have created using IMGUI for my own engine. You can create any empty entity and you can delete it. You can name it whatever you want. Let's name it first entity. Then while your entity is selected, you have to add a component. You can change the color of this, and you can also set your camera to orthographic or perspective here. You can scale it in any direction you want, and you can also rotate it. Right now my engine is 2D, but it's kind of 3D too, meaning that it can only render codes right now. It cannot render meshes, but the space itself is 3D, so I can rotate and scale it in 3 directions. A lot of people only make a good 3D renderer and finish their project. You can't actually ship games with it, but graphics are not everything. I have proper renderer API and I am currently using OpenGL. Most stuff in my engine is platform independent and abstracted away. Not everything 100%, but most stuff is programmed in a way that you can easily add Linux, Mac OS, or Vulkan or any other graphics API that you want. And by the way, I forgot to mention one thing. I would like to thank Cherno for his game engine series. It helped me a lot while I was developing my own game engine. The Cherno goes really into detail, like how you can abstract the stuff, make it platform independent, make proper APIs, and how to properly manage a big project like making your own game engine. So if one day the legend Cherno comes across my channel and watches this video, I would like to thank him, and I am really grateful for his game engine series. If you want to just render 3D graphics, then it's actually really easy. You can just follow the tutorials on learnopengl.com and you can easily create your own 3D engine. Let me show you an example 3D engine that I made by following those tutorials. As you can see, I can move around, zoom in, zoom out. I also have blending enabled. I can just load 3D models in it using SM, but that's not what a game engine is. A proper game engine has ECS, physics, audio, animations and other stuff. You can also open any file that you want on my engine, and then you can move around, modify it and do whatever you want. I have also created a cool little file here that can keep track of all the features I have added or I have yet to add. As I keep working on my engine, more stuff will be added here. So you may be wondering why I am creating my own game engine while there's already Unity, Unreal, Godot and other engines out there. Why bother with it? Why don't I just use those pre-made engines available? I do agree that there are many free game engines out there and they are way better than what I currently have. But it doesn't mean that one should refrain from trying to create their own engine. My goal for my engine is kind of different. I'm not trying to create another Unreal or Unity or Godot. I don't want to talk too much about it right now. I will just rather show it to you guys in a few months. I am working on this full time now, and my goal is to show you guys something really cool by the mid 2026. If you like what I'm building and want to follow along me on my journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to tell me in the comments what you think about this. Also, should I make more devlogs like this? If you like this, then make sure to tell me, so I will keep creating more devlogs like this while I keep adding on new features in my engine. Goodbye.